how does one get to live at Vrindavan or Radhakund to do bhajan? Is that your question? Of course, the answer to many questions in spiritual life is kripa. Many questions are answered like this, only by kripa. So that's a fact. I was just seeing this same point, and Rupa Goswami is quoting from the Puranas, from Vayu Puran, from Adi Varaha Puran. He's quoting a very nice verse, and he says that without the mercy of Krishna, or Vishnu, Vishnu means Krishna, without the mercy of Krishna, no one can live in Vrindavan for one moment. Vina Vishnu Prasadena. That's pretty simple. Prasad. Vina means without, Vina. Vina Vishnu Prasadena Shanam Ekam Natishtati. Mathura Mandalame. Mathura Mandalame. Vina Vishnu Prasadena Shanam Ekam Natishtati. Tishtati means stan, tishtan. Means to stay or to be fixed or to live or to reside. And shana, K-S-H-A, shana. Shanam means a moment. One can't live a moment in Brajadam without the mercy of Krishna. And he goes on, residence in Vrindavan is never attained. You can never attain residence. This is how do you get residence in Vrindavan to do bhajan? By the mercy of Krishna. And there's no other way. Residence in Vrindavan, it says in Puran, can never be attained by punya, not by tap, not by jap, not by gyan, not by yagyas. None of these practices, although very purifying, as you said earlier, how to become purified, they're very purifying rituals, rites, and sadhanas and practices, no doubt. And they're very elevating and spiritually enriching, but they're not sufficient to get residence in Vrindavan.